everybody, quick weather update here at 4:31 p.m. on your Thursday. It's definitely a cold one out there, that's for sure. 39 degrees compared to what we've been having. Feels like winter time's returned out there. Currently 39 degrees, winds are gusting out of the north-northwest at 17. Right now we have a wind gust of 8, so the highest gust we've seen so far is 17 miles per hour. So let's get started. Take a look at what we've got. This is going to be a really quick update here. So let's start out with a forecast outlook, and we'll take a look at today. Of course, clearing in the evening. We're already in the evening, already seeing some sunshine out there. Some of those wind gusts today could gust up to 25 miles per hour. So far, we haven't had gusts that high yet. And the high of 50 absolutely did not happen at all. So, yeah, that definitely did not happen. It's 39 degrees today, so yeah, a lot colder. Supposed to be down to around 26 for a low tonight. Friday, of course, could be some sun and clouds. I'm kind of iffy on that temperature. I may have to change that. This is actually an older forecast graphic I made yesterday, so I want to be a little bit lazy there. So high 53 supposedly, but we'll adjust that a little bit more if needed. Low of 24. Saturday, though, we're watching for a chance of some severe thunderstorms. High of 65. Yeah, that is a odd change, isn't it? High 65, low 44. Sunday, be some showers in the morning, 30% chance of that. High 56, low 22. And Monday, looks like some sunny skies. High of only 44, low of 27. And again, I will adjust this forecast if needed because I'm kind of questioning its accuracy at this point, so I may have to go back and make another one. Anyway, we're looking at the threat of some heavy rainfall. There is excessive rainfall outlooks in place, so we are expecting a lot of heavy rain. I'm trying to get the graphic adjusted here. So yeah, we do expect some heavy rainfall out there. Looking like for the best threat of that, there's a moderate threat out for northwest Alabama. They could get 2 to 3 inches of rain over there, with a slight risk being for the rest of North Alabama on Saturday. So heaviest rainfall will be from 6 p.m. Saturday evening through 6 a.m. Sunday morning. Be weather aware. We'll take another look, and that is the excessive rainfall outlook, showing a moderate threat of excessive rainfall for northwest portions of Alabama, with the rest of northern Alabama being under a slight risk of excessive rainfall. Now let's take a look at the GFS and the timing and stuff. Let me adjust this out just a little bit because it looks like it's got thrown off somehow or another there. So let me adjust that out just a little bit here. Looking at that, looks like now this is by the GFS. Now timing is going to change a lot, okay? We have two timelines at this point that I put up. One of them by the Weather Service, one by me. So it is going to be a little bit confusing until we get a little bit closer, get the higher resolution models in here. But this is showing, looks like it moves out around, I think I actually opened the wrong graphic there, forgive me. 06Z, that is going to be at midnight. So this stuff starts to get in here around midnight, according to the GFS. Again, there will be some changes in that. And looks like it moves out at approximately 3 a.m., 4 a.m. time frame, according to the GFS models here. So somewhere between midnight and 4 a.m. time frame, we could have some severe weather. Taking a look at that outlook, we'll look at the severe weather outlook for Saturday. North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee remain in a slight risk level 2 of 5 for severe storms on Saturday. There's a medium chance and a line of strong to severe storms overnight Saturday into early Sunday morning. Damaging wind gusts will be the most likely threat with these storms. Tornadoes may form within the main line. Very low confidence in additional storms ahead of the main line, which would be good. If that is the case, you know, we'll have less threat of a tornado developing if we don't get any discrete cells ahead of the line. Either way, still some embedded stuff could develop along the line too, so it's not out of the question. So we'll take a look at rainfall totals. Expect rainfall totals to be in northeast Alabama around DeKalb, Marshall, Jackson, anywhere between 1.5 to 2 inches over here, with higher amounts further to the northwest. It'll also be windy, some of them wind gusts overnight and ahead of the line. Could gust up to 40, maybe 50 plus miles per hour. If we do get a severe thunderstorm, of course, it will be way higher than that, 50 to 60 miles per hour. Of course, the severe threshold is 58 miles per hour. So anything at 58 is severe, considered severe. So let's look at some of the timing. This is by the National Weather Service Huntsville graphic. They seem to think it'll get around the Florence, Russellville area around 10 p.m. to 1. a.m. Of course, they have the latest 3 a.m. And then they have the number 2 there is going to be around Fayetteville, Sewanee, Tennessee, Huntsville, Coleman areas, anywhere between, they're thinking earliest 10, most likely 11 p.m. to 2 a.m., latest 3 a.m. And then moving into northeast Alabama around 12 a.m. That's the earliest, but most likely 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Latest would be 6 a.m. So as you can see, there's still some adjustment that needs done on the timing. Here's the graphic that I have done based on what the models are showing. I'm thinking 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., but it may go on up to the 4 a.m. time frame. So as you can see, there is some disagreements going on with the models. We really don't have an accurate timing. This is just an estimate of when we expect it to get here. Of course, as we get on into the weekend, we'll have a lot better, idea of that. So let's bring back winter time, unfortunately. As bad as I don't want to, it looks like my computer here doesn't want to bring it back either. So, I'm not really ready for this either. But regardless if we're ready or not, yeah, here we go. The Arctic air mass is expected to move into the U.S. next week, bringing the potential for hazardous cold weather to the Tennessee Valley. The 8 through 14-day temperature or hazards outlook for the Climate Prediction Center. Goodness gracious, I'm a little bit off today. Moderate risk, 40 to 60% chance or much below normal temperatures across North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee for February the 20th and 21st. So yes, it's going to get cold again. So what are much below normal temperatures? This means temperatures have a good chance to fall below 25 and 29 degrees during this period. So consider making plans to prevent impacts of the cold temperatures to people, pets, and property. So keep that in mind, and you guys have a great rest of your day. That was the quick update, and yeah, hope you guys have a great day today. Of course, sponsored by Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, give him a call at 256-979-4330. And thanks so much for sponsoring us, Mr. Dylan. Really helps us keep everything going. Without you and one other, in fact, we would not be able to keep things going. Not a lot of support, lately, but blessed for the support we have. I mean, absolutely thankful for all the support that we have. We could always use some more support, but it's getting us by, so that's what matters at this point, is just doing what we needed to do. So really grateful for these people, Mr. Dylan Snyder and also Mrs. Pam Collins. Thank y'all so much for what y'all do, helping us out every single month to keep all this going. We really appreciate you. So you guys have a great day out there. It is cold. Better bundle up. It's windy. And I've been dealing with a bad ear infection and headache, so that's why I'm a little bit, kind of off in my words today. So I do apologize for that. But we will keep you updated. God bless. Again, have a good day. It is 4:39, 39 degrees outside. Have a good Thursday. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.